Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be making the card guards for the Alice in Wonderland Tea Party, and this I'm really excited for because they actually seem pretty fun to make, so let's hope I can do it. So here we go! Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do in order to make this is I have myself a little heart-shaped pattern that I'm going to use and trace to put onto my two red pieces of construction paper. Now, I'm going to make the heart of aces, or the aces of heart first, and then I will be back when the rest of them are done. And I am making the ace of hearts, the ace of spades, the ace of clovers, and the ace of diamonds. Except the heart and the diamond will be red, and the clover and the spade will be black. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I found this, like, I don't know, this piece of construction paper that has like some chunks in it, but I managed to fit the heart shape onto it. So I'm going to do this heart shape first. Okay, so I'm just going to trace around, this with the pen, and then I will just simply cut it out. That's okay. Okay, now that that shape is cut out, I'm just going to move my trash off of this. So again, this will be the shape that goes onto right here in the middle. Now I also don't have glue. Okay, I'm back and I have my glue, so I'm going to glue this onto the card wire. Alrighty, so we got that heart down. And next I'm going to just take a red Sharpie and I'm just going to write the letter A at the top and the bottom. Alrighty, now that that is done, I need to make the head. Now I was going to make the head a little bit bigger, but it seems like this is already like as big as it can get. So maybe I can make it a little bit bigger. Alright, I'm going to try and make this a tad bit bigger, and we will see what happens. Okay. Now it's time to cut this one out. Okay, so I did manage to get this a little bit bigger, but I don't know, face kind of looks wonky. I tried, you know, I tried. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to glue like the bottom half, oops, sorry if you can't see that. I'm going to glue the bottom half onto, I'm going to put some glue like right here and then stick it on. Okay, so while that dries, I am then going to make a smaller heart to put on top of that. I guess I should have done that before I glued it, but oh well. Not too bad. Okay, so I managed to make a somewhat decent shape for the top, so now I have to make a little heart nose. So I'm going, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I will glue his nose to here. Okay, so first I'm going to glue his nose to that, to the white paper. Alright, I am then going to take a marker and I'm just going to make little nose marks, I guess. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to make just a smaller heart, and that will be its mouth. Alrighty, very good. Now I'm just going to glue that on. Alrighty, and then I just have to glue this heart onto the face. Alrighty, almost done. I just have to make two little hearts for here and here, and then I have to make some feet and some hands. But the problem is, I'm almost out of red construction paper. This construction paper is for the diamond card, and I don't have any more red construction paper. Okay, well this is a little bit of a dilemma. Okay, I'm gonna go look around the house and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back and it looks like I have no more red construction paper in this house, and I don't want to paint on the hearts or color them in with a marker just because I want them to be construction paper. That's That's the aesthetic that I want. So it looks like I will be back in a little bit once I have finished the rest of the cards with as much as I can do, and then it looks like I will have to make this a part 2. So I will be back when the rest of them are done as much as they can be. Now, the black clover and spade, I actually might be able to complete them because I might actually have enough black construction paper, but for the red, heart, and diamond, I will not be able to complete them. So I will be back when I have finished everything else that I can. So I will be back. Okay, I am back about, I don't know, like an hour later, and I have done all the cards that I could, and they are mostly finished. I just need to add arms and legs, but I do not have enough red construction paper. So this is the Ace of Spades, and then I'm gonna try and move them out of the way a little bit, and then this is the Ace of Clovers, I guess, or isn't it called, like, I don't know, I thought it was called something else, but I can't remember. But anyway, then this is the Ace of Diamonds. And then lastly, what you saw me working on is the Ace of Hearts. Now, like I said, I still want to put arms and feet on them, but I don't have enough red construction paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait till I get more red construction paper, and then I will add on the arms and legs to all of them, and then that will be part 2. But as of right now, I think they are pretty cool. And what I did for the faces to make them more sturdy was I put a popsicle stick behind each one of them to make it more sturdy and to help keep its shape. So now I'm gonna stop touching these for a while because they need to dry before I mess them up. So that is pretty much it for part 1. Okay, so that was pretty much part 1. I didn't realize it was gonna become a two-parter, sorry, but sadly I didn't have enough materials to finish the project, so I will get the materials and then I will finish them. And I'm really excited to finish them though, because so far they are looking really good, so hopefully they will be done soon. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!